Welcome back, friends. Doing the dishes is rarely fun, especially when you are fumbling with slippery bottles and dripping water everywhere. If you want to upgrade your sink with the best dish soap dispenser for kitchen, you are in the right place today here on Budget Buying. We are checking out a brilliant all-in-one solution that makes cleaning up a breeze. Let's get started. Designed for users who need to streamline their dishwashing routine, the OXO Dish Soap Dispenser for Kitchen is an absolute game changer. The OXO brand has brilliantly designed this product to completely simplify how you tackle your dirty plates, all while keeping your entire sink area incredibly neat. This clever gadget beautifully combines a high-quality soap dispenser and a dedicated sponge holder into one highly convenient unit. By merging these two essential sink tools, it actively helps eliminate those cluttered and extremely messy soap bottles that always take up way too much valuable space on your kitchen countertop. You will instantly notice how much cleaner your sink area looks the moment you put this on your counter. One of the absolute greatest benefits of the OXO Dish Soap Dispenser for Kitchen is its incredibly easy one-handed design. We have all been in that frustrating situation where we are holding a heavy pan in one hand and we desperately need more soap on our sponge with the other. Picking up a standard soap bottle with wet hands usually leads to dropping it. With this ingenious dispenser, you simply grab your sponge and press down directly onto the top plate. With just a simple press, it dispenses the perfect amount of soap straight onto your sponge. This makes cleaning significantly faster and vastly more efficient, especially when your other hand is fully busy holding delicate dishes or rinsing items. It saves so much time and frustration after a big family dinner. Beyond just dispensing soap, the built-in sponge holder is thoughtfully designed with excellent ventilation in mind. Nobody likes picking up a damp, smelly sponge that has been sitting in a puddle of dirty water all day. To solve this common problem, the OXO dispenser elevates the sponge slightly above the base. By keeping the sponge elevated, it allows fresh air to continuously circulate all around it, which actively promotes incredibly quick drying. This smart ventilation reduces moisture buildup and helps maintain much better hygiene. Of course, all that excess water has to go somewhere. A dedicated drip tray sits neatly underneath the elevated sponge platform to safely catch any excess water that drips down. This completely prevents gross soapy puddles from forming on your counter, keeping your beloved kitchen countertop beautifully clean and perfectly dry at all times. Taking a closer look at the inside of the dispenser, there is a very clever internal soap cap hidden within the mechanism. When you are constantly pressing wet sponges down onto a dispenser, water can easily seep inside and ruin your dish soap. However, this specially designed internal soap cap securely helps prevent any outside water from mixing with your liquid dish soap. This fantastic feature preserves the overall quality and original consistency of your soap, ensuring you get a perfect lather every single time. To make your life even easier, the OXO brand gave this dispenser a beautiful clear body design. Because the bottom half is transparent, you can easily monitor your current soap levels from across the room. You will always know exactly when it is time for a quick refill, completely eliminating that annoying moment of running out of soap right in the middle of washing dishes. Maintaining your kitchen accessories should never be a complicated chore, and the OXO Dish Soap Dispenser for Kitchen makes regular upkeep incredibly simple. When it eventually comes time to wash the unit itself, you will be thrilled to know that the entire unit effortlessly comes apart for a very thorough and incredibly easy cleaning session. You can rinse out any built-up soap residue or trapped dirt in just a matter of minutes. This smart modular design ensures that the dispenser remains completely hygienic and incredibly long-lasting, even with heavy daily use. Overall, this fantastic device offers a highly practical solution for everyday kitchen cleaning. It flawlessly combines user convenience, improved cleanliness, and highly intelligent design to make your daily dishwashing routine significantly more organized and remarkably less messy. Are you ready to say goodbye to messy sinks and dripping soap bottles? Check the price link in the description to grab yours and upgrade your kitchen today. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more amazing home gadgets. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next video.